which is a retail market. I want to talk about our company. It's called DBR Solutions, where we started, where we are now, and where we are headed. I want to talk about the day in the life of a business analyst. What is it like to be in my shoes? What are the struggles that I deal with every day? How do I interact with the team and with other people? And finally, open forum for any of your questions, or I may have questions for you, who knows, right? It'll be easy, like what's your favorite food today? If you can rate Natalie from 1 to 5 about her food preparation. Okay, what is business consulting? So by definition, it is an expert. The business consultant is an expert on the field, a professional that's working on a specific market. Okay, so how is it different from what you do now? So I'm sure you know technical people, diba? Technical people are expert with code, right? For you to be good at it, what you do as a technical person, you have to know how to code, how to compile, what the best practices, etc. Then you have testers and functional analysts, which are experts on answering what? How? How does the system work? Where do I go if I want to do this function, right? And then above that is a business analyst. A business analyst is the person that can answer why. Why do we do this? Why not this? What's the advantages of doing this, pros and cons, versus this? What is the risk if we stop? What is the risk if we move forward? And with that, there is no university in the world, regardless if you came from the best university in the Philippines or in the US, there's no university that can teach you how to be a business analyst. It comes with core strengths that hopefully you've learned already with Accenture, and then top it up with experience in client side. It's the experience that will make you a good business analyst, okay? Real life experiences. It's one thing to conceptualize from your seat what it should be, how it works. It's another thing to walk into a store, go into a real life situation, experience how a manager operates the store, understand their difficulty. That's a completely different thing. And that's what a business analyst is an expert with. Okay, questions? What I am. What am I? I'm a technical person. No, I'm kidding. I did not even start I did not code a single line of thing in my life. I'm not a good technical person, unfortunately. But what I found out was I was a good tester. I'm good at finding defects. I'm good at assuming. Who's a QA here? QA tomorrow or QA before? Every day. Wants to be QA. So I realized I'm good at assuming that the code is bad until I tested it. The code is bad until I say it's good enough. So that's where I found my little place in the IT industry, even if I'm not a technical person. Even if I don't know, I cannot read code, I cannot do prosy, I can do simple select statements, that's it, right? So if you are good with coding, if you are good with testing, that means you're already a step above me from where I started, okay? What is retail consulting? So like I said earlier, we are all consumers, right? You buy your clothes, you do your grocery. Of all the markets, probably from Accenture, it's the most relatable one because you don't have to be a consultant in that industry to understand the industry. You know what it impacts you. Hold on a second, let's